Fast-rising singer and content creator Carter Efe has come out to drop a few deep words for his colleague Ruga.
I'm watching you. I wanted to follow you before, but I said, let me leave this boy. He's a kid. He's a new boy in the industry. Let us just leave him. My dad called me. Wizkid called me. He said, Carter, don't answer that boy. Leave him. Leave him alone. He's a young boy. He's the prince boy. Leave him. Like, he actually told me not to answer you because I wanted to drag you on Twitter before, but I just said, let me keep quiet. Because my dad said I should keep quiet. You understand? Because my dad dropped more love, less ego. And you said you live for let us listen to noise. I just look you. I just said let me just leave you. Let me just leave you alone. Let me just leave you. Let us listen to your song. If you're Asiwaju, I've already listened to Asiwaju. Asiwaju is interesting.
I think you like the second verse.